Welcome the our channel. Today we how to transfer using rsync with compression for faster migrations step by step clearly. To start, ensure you have rsync installed on both the source and destination systems. Open your terminal on the source machine. Begin by determining the source directory you want to transfer. Next, identify the destination path on the target machine. You can use the IP address or the hostname of the destination machine. Now, we will include compression to speed up the transfer. Use the Z option in your rsync command for compression. The basic syntax for the rsync command looks like this: rsync z, source_directory, user, at, destination_host, frowny-face destination_directory. Replace source_directory with the path you want to copy. Replace user with your username on the destination machine. Then, replace destination_host with the IP address or hostname. Finally, replace destination_directory with the desired path on the destination system. For example, your command might look like this: rsync z/path/to/source user at 192.168.1.10/path/to/destination. Before executing the command, you might want to add the AV flags for archive and verbose modes. Though a flag preserves file permissions and timestamps, the V flag provides detailed output during the transfer. Thus, your complete command would look like rsync f/path/to/source user at 192.168.1.10/path/to/destination. Press Enter to execute the command. If prompted, enter your password for the destination machine. The transfer will begin, showing progress in the terminal. Once completed, verify that files have been successfully transferred to the destination directory. You can do this by listing the files in the destination directory using the ls command. If everything looks good, you have successfully transferred your files using rsync with compression. Feel free to explore additional options like delete to remove files in the destination that are no longer present in the source. This ensures that both directories are fully synchronized. With practice, you'll find rsync to be a powerful tool for migrations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.